While serving as Home Secretary of the United Kingdom, Robert Peel established the modern principles of policing and reformed criminal law. He later made great achievements during his 2 terms as Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. Peel changed the name of his party and introduced free trade policies. Up until then, the British government had implemented Cromwell's protectionist trade policies. Peel cut the number of products where a tariff was imposed from 1,200 to 750, and he used income tax to fill the gap in the government budget. In 1845, the number of items where a tariff was imposed was further reduced to 450, driving UK further away from protectionist policies. Faced with strong opposition, however, grain tariffs were not removed. Then came the Great Irish Famine due to poor potato harvests during the winter of 1845. The UK did not have a good harvest either because of the blight. It allowed Peel to import food, and finally led to the abolition of the Corn Law in 1848. The Corn Law had been in place since medieval times to protect landowners' interests. Imported crops drastically cut the living expenses of those living in the cities. We can win any battle. Now, all the tariffs have been eliminated, and we can declare free trade. Liberalism was settled in the UK, and this ushered the country into a golden age in the next 30 years. The Great Exhibition, held during the reign of Queen Victoria, symbolized the prosperity of the United Kingdom. For the UK, which was known as the factory of the world in the 19th century, a stable consumer market was required to sustain its prosperity. A transition to free trade was the natural demand of the time.
Bestseller of Economics. Principles of Economics Graphic Edition.